Today I'm going to show you how much exactly MTN YelloSave paid me in 1 month, saving just 25 Ghana cedis every single day. Now, if you're like most Ghanaians, you use Momo almost every day to buy almost every 4 transactions. But maybe you didn't know that it can also actually pay you just for saving your money. I've been using MTN YelloSave for months, tracking every password, and trust me, the results are going to surprise you. So wait until you see what happens. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how much interest rate I got in 1 month from using MTN YelloSave. And so if you like what we do here, like the video, you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section, and then we'll take it from there. Now, so they say, what is MTN YelloSave? MTN YelloSave is a high interest savings feature inside your Momo. Well, it's a partnership between MTN Momo and then Fidelity Bank, which basically lets you save. And the great part about it, the feature I used personally, was the auto save daily feature, which means that it allows you to save daily, weekly, and monthly. Right now, if you want to open the account, it just charges you 5 Ghana cedis to open the account, and that is it. Now you can deposit yourself, or you can use the auto save feature, which I used. So for the video, I used the auto save daily feature, which was 25 Ghana cedis. Right now, the interesting thing is that the interest rate you're going to get for a year is 8% per annum. Now, I did 25 Ghana cedis a day. Now, at the end of the month, what I got was 750 Ghana cedis total. Now, this 750 Ghana cedis total is the money from the savings. That's only the savings. Now, MTN YelloSave is supposed to pay me 8% a year. When I checked, that 8% a year was supposed to be 5 cedis in interest. I know the 5 cedis look small, which means that the total with the interest is 755 Ghana cedis a year. Now, I know that interest is small, but look at it, right? Basically, you're getting a savings culture, you build up that money, get extra 5 cedis, and the great part about it is that you can take that money now and use it to invest, right? Now, there's a condition. Right? The condition is that you don't have to withdraw from your account more than twice in a month. Right? You have to keep you can withdraw, but keep the money for more than you can't withdraw for more than twice, and in that way you get the interest. But if you withdraw more than twice, then you don't get the interest. So that's the condition for the interest, right? And so if you even want to grow faster, you can also use a deposit feature. The deposit feature means that after doing the 25 cedis or 30 cedis or 50 cedis, you can deposit. If you get extra money, you deposit in the account, and then you are good to go. Now, I know some of you are wondering how you can exactly create the account. If you want to learn how you can create your YelloSave account, you would like to learn how you can deposit and create a savings plan, check the link in the description. It is there on how to create a YelloSave account. But if you would like to join our community on investments, where we talk about investment and ask any question you have on investment, where we learn and grow together, you can also check out the community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.